What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I got an unboxing, a little bit of a review on something called the Aduro AquaSound wireless shower speaker. Okay, this thing was super cheap, I believe. Let me see how much it was. $15 for one of these things. I can't wait to test it out because I have a speaker, a waterproof speaker in my shower, okay, and I have to keep my phone out here on the office desk while I'm showering, so there's no way for me to change the song if I don't like it or not, and this is going to be a lifesaver here. I like to flip through my songs, you know, kind of be my own little personal DJ, as you know most of us do. I don't want to have to sit in the shower and kind of deal with a song that's like not really, it's kind of killing your vibe. This is a perfect way for you to be able to switch your songs, and you can even make phone calls with this thing. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's open this thing up, see what it does. And I will leave a link in the description for this particular product if you guys are kind of interested in getting one of these. I have a feeling that I'm going to love this thing. Now, they don't just have black, they also have different patterns for you girls out there. I know you girls like to have different crazy patterns. They got all different kinds of different stuff. Alright, I chose black because I like black. But here it is. It's nice and small. Comes with instructions. I'm sure it's nothing too crazy. Nothing that, your average millennial can't handle. Suction cup, sticks right to your shower. Charging port. It's just your basic waterproof speaker. Okay, there's your speaker behind the suction. See how this thing works. There it is. It's on. It's literally just like a Bluetooth speaker, okay? So, let me see here. Set this thing up. Look for a device. There it is. So, see the red light? So I'm thinking this thing needs to charge before we use it. So I'm going to let it charge up, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. Okay, I got it on the charger. I let it sync to my contacts so I can make phone calls too. If somebody's calling me, it's going to tell me someone's calling me, and I can answer it. It's now connected to my device. And then play something. Actually, that's probably not a good idea because I don't want to get copyrighted, but you get the idea. Hold on, let me see. Let's do this. Okay, here it is. Okay, you just stick this right in your shower. And then you could skip it. And it clicks and acts. There's no delay. It acts right away. No delay at all. Pause it. Play it. Phone calls. Not gonna call anybody right now. You get the gist of it. So there's the speaker. Great product. Mine needs to charge. I'm gonna let it sit over here and charge. Great suction cup. Alright, so there it is, guys. Mine needs to charge. Great product. I will leave a link down in the description for you, like I said at the beginning of the video. Smash the like on the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.